What's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute Christmas burlap and ribbon wreath. What you will need is a work wreath. This one is 16 inches. You can also use a wreath ring and apply chenille stems. I'll add a link to a video in the description box below. Also burlap. This is gold trim and it's 5.5 inches in width. This really pretty plaid ribbon, 2.5 inches in width. Then I have the smaller burlap ribbon, 2 inches in width. Alright, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is double up on my burlap. This is so pretty, you guys. I purchased this at Michael's and I'm just in love with it. It's not as stiff as the regular burlap, and it has like gold and it's gold trim, so I love it. Alright, scrunch that all together. Start on the chenille stem and twist it a couple of times. Just like that. Going to pull, make a nice poof, and do the same thing again. There we go. So essentially that's what I'm going to do all the way around the ring. Pull, make a poof, and then secure it in place. Twist it a couple of times. I want to try and make it even, but if they're not completely even, it does not matter. Okay. So I'm back to where I first started. I'm just going to do the same thing. Make a loop, unravel the chenille stem, and place it down, and then re-twist it. You can cut it here and restart in the center, but I'm just going to continue on. So what I do is I just pull it, make a loop, and instead of coming to the outer ring, I go to the next inner ring. And then I continue doing the exact same thing. So I've made my way around the outer and inner rings, and I'm just going to finish off right where I started. I had just enough burlap. And twist it a couple of times. Now we're going to go around and separate the burlap. Just like this. All the way around. There you go. So next we're going to take our really pretty plaid ribbon and cut it into 12-inch long pieces. And I want enough pieces to place on each and every chenille stem. I think I have about 18. So I need 18 pieces. Okay, so I have a piece cut 12 inches. And then what I'm going to do is ribbon cut the ends. So I fold it in half, the 2 open ends at the bottom, the fold at the top. And I'm just going to cut at a diagonal. Just like that. Like that. I'm going to do this with all of my ribbon. Then I'll place it on the wreath. Crisscross them. Just like that. Scrunch. And place it down. Then twist it back. Just like that. We'll do that one more time. 12 inch of burlap, 12 inch of ribbon, scrunch. Go to the next chenille stem, untwist it. Place the burlap and ribbon and then twist it back. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to finish up and show you how it looks. So I've placed all the ribbon in the burlap and I think it looks really cute. But as I was doing it, I decided that I wanted to add a little more of the wine color just to liven things up a little bit. So I have this wine ribbon with gold trim that I've also cut, and I'm going to ribbon cut the ends and add that randomly around my bow just to add a little extra color. You could definitely leave it like this because this looks really cute, or you can add in another color. So I'm going to go ahead and get that. Show you. I'm just taking this out and I want it to overlap just like this. Okay, so that's how I add it in. I'll do it again. So I'm just unraveling. So this is actually what I want my bundles to look like. All 3, and then I scrunch it. And then twist it. Just like that. So again, I've untwisted, and then I'm going to add in this ribbon. Then scrunch it again and replace it. And twist it back in place. Right, so I've added the ribbon and it looks so cute and adorable. Such a cute, fluffy, whimsical wreath. And I just tucked the chenille stems. If there were a color that matched my color scheme, then I would leave it. But that's how it looks. So cute and fun. You can even put a sign in the center if you'd like, but just have fun with it. So there you have it, a nice, cute, fun, and whimsical wreath. So cute and precious. Change up the colors, the patterns, whatever you'd like. Just make it your own and have fun with it.